Friends, as we all know, orange is an amazing fruit with full of benefits. But the first question comes whether we should eat an orange or take orange juice. There is no doubt that there is a lot of benefit in orange juice, but if you want to have full benefits of orange, then it is always suggested to eat it, as we lose fiber etc. if we take orange juice. Also, the time of taking orange is very important. We should try to take orange early morning on an empty stomach, as it will help in improving our digestive system, and try not to drink any tea or coffee for at least 30 minutes. As oranges contain high level of vitamin C, so it will improve our immunity system as well as our health. If you take one orange a day, then you will be protected by many diseases like high cholesterol problem etc. There are a lot of benefit of eating an orange, but also the peel of an orange is very important for our skin, hair etc. So don't throw the peel of an orange and try to use it by making a dry powder of it, and can use it in your face pack etc. So in the end, I hope you find information useful. If you like the video, then press on like button, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.